Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the October edition of the Super Stash Busting Blanket. So today I'm going to give you a little peek at my progress from probably like mid-September until now. I'm a little late getting this video out. Lots of stuff going on. We finally have some nice fall weather and I've just been busy crocheting other things. I actually have other things to crochet, and so I've kind of put the stash busting blanket project aside a bit more than I had at the start of the year. So here is the basket with the blanket in it. I am currently working on this nice orange, perfect for October and Halloween and that kind of feeling. I think last time I showed you, I was over here with the blues, and so you can see I've made some progress with some pinks. I've got this nice variegated here. I've got yellow and green, some more purple, blue, and here I've got this orange right over this green. So again, like a pumpkin, perfect for October. So here's my basket. So I don't have very much scrap yarn left in here, which is great. So if you're new to my channel, this is one of the first videos that you're watching. This project is meant to sort of get rid of all of your extra scrap yarn. And so what I've done is at the beginning of the year, I threw all of my extra scrappy yarns. I went through all of my yarn, threw those extra balls in that I rewound, or they were not quite a full ball and I didn't really know what to make with them. Maybe I just had one, and it's hard to make a project out of just one ball or half a ball of yarn sometimes, unless it's a really small project. But some of these yarns I was thinking big, like blankets, and you can't really do that with a smaller ball of yarn. So I threw all of that into that basket, and I picked a really kind of fun quick stitch. It's an offset shell stitch. So you can see we've got 4 double crochets, then you do a chain, and then you put one more double crochet into the chain space from the previous row. It works up really quick. It's a 1-row repeat, back and forth, back and forth. So you can really set this project down, come back to it weeks later even, and you really don't need much of a refresher before you're right back into the pattern. So I picked this really simple pattern. I randomly pick balls of yarn to start with. So I picked a random color, started working with that. When that ran out, I blindly grabbed another color, and I'm forced to work with that color. So even if I don't think that these colors go together normally, like I wouldn't normally put them together in a blanket, look at how cool it came out. So I'm really loving this project. You can really get a feel for what colors go together if you're not very good at putting colors together. I think I'm good at it, and then when I'm going to pick my colors for a project, I have to think and say, is that really going to go together? But look, all the colors go together. So it's really been a fun and educational process, this blanket. And I'm using up so much yarn. I can't even tell you how much yarn I've used up. I am so proud of myself. So if you're thinking of doing sort of a scrappy type blanket, I highly recommend this blanket. I will link the playlist for all of my update videos. So I do an update video every month, kind of show you the progress, how it's coming out. And I also have a stitch tutorial on this. So I do have a tutorial for this stitch that I'm using. I think it's a scarf tutorial, and so you can get the stitch multiples and things like that from that video, and I will link that down below as well. But just look how cool this is. I cannot wait to finish it. So we've got 2 months left, November, and then December I'm going to do a final update, and then I'll also do a separate video on putting a border on. So if you are following along with this project, I will give you sort of a border that will go nicely with this stitch. And if you are following along with us making this super fun stash busting blanket in 2023, go ahead and send me a picture to my email. I think that is on the YouTube like about me section, but I'll also I'll put my email down below. Send me a picture, I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.